Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to take out the, so you can see that or not, the Rustler 4x4. It used to be the brushed version. I put one thing I like about these bodies on these Rustlers. I put the BLX out of my Typhon 100 and 3200 kV motor in it. And we're going to try that. I'm going to try it on 2S. I have got this Pure Tech battery straps in there now, so I can run a 3S. This is the first time I'm going to run a 3S. I'm going to run a 2S, see what the speed is real quick, and then throw a 3S in there and see what the speed is on that, and go run it out there in that field for a little bit. So hang on, let me get this battery put in there. Alright guys, I figured out how to shut that steering assist off. So let's bring this back here, and so now I should get at least a full trigger on that one. And that was 31 miles an hour on the 2S. So let's zero this out. Let's add another one. Done. Yes. So you can see that. Let's zero it out. Do a quick couple passes on the street. Oh yeah, she's got some more power now. Yeah, the first time on 3S, guys, for me. So I recall this radio doesn't go that far. It's okay, 46 miles an hour, 46.8. Do a couple more reps and you see them front tires balloon. Yeah, that's good for this car now, I think. It should be a good little basher. 2S, it was a little slow, but I mean, it was still fun, but all right, let's check this out. 49.2 still, so works for me. So oh yeah, she's alive now. Ah, walk of shame. It's after work time, so getting a big shadow. It's alive. It's a little soft out here. Ah. I guess you can't go full bore on the turns, huh? Oh, I just popped a tire. Can you believe that? Although the tires are at least a year and a half old. Oh no, I broke something. Shit. What did I break? Oh, the pin. The pin came out. I'll never find that thing out here. Of course, that pin backed out like normal. I'm gonna figure out something to do with that. I'm gonna stick a screw all the way through that thing and a nut. Because those are just dumb. Ah, just when I was having fun. Yeah, instead of that pin, I think I'm just gonna stick a screw all the way through it. See if I can get that to work. And put one of those lock nuts on the end. Yeah, that happened over there and I kept driving it, so who knows where it is. But that's all it is, guys. Just that pin right here. You see that pin here? I think that's the one that always backs out. And I didn't check it. So let's take a quick look. Sometimes you never know. Just might see something shiny. There it is, guys. I brought tools. I just have my little Traxxas go bag, or toolkit, I guess it is. Comes in handy when you're out here. Quick fixes. I don't care for it too much, but like I said, it works out here. Not sure if you guys can see that or not. Let's see if we can prop you up and there you are. So you bring my little deco kit. I already had the wheel in there. It seems to happen all the time. I know multiple people that have even asked me what they could do. I think I have a screw long enough. Hopefully there's, you know, it'll spin on there because of the threads, but we'll see. We might have to just bore it out just a tiny bit and see if that'll work or not. Here. So we just go here. That's why I don't like these ones, because of the Gonna slide these in all the time. It's annoying. You want to go in there. The white doesn't want to go in there. The other one came out of there. Man, those are a pain. Alright. Putting the wheel back on. Not sure if we're all seeing this or not, but man. I've seen guys find screws out there before too, and that's like the third time. I found my dog bone yesterday. I think it was Sunday when I was out, and it was in the curb. I found that, so that worked out. So let's finish this battery off, huh guys? What do you think? See if that lasts. I know I should check that thing at least every pack. It seems like every packet. Yeah, this thing's fun now. Ooh. I had the 4,000 kV motor in here from Hobby Wing, but I only put 2S in it. I never tried 3S just because of the battery strap from Traxxas. You know, you always have to do something weird with them. It's like, man, I like their cars. They have some good ones, but Velcro. I want to get some Badlands for it. Some, what are those, 2.8s? I want to put those on my Typhon too. So get some 12 millimeter ones and some 17. You can buy the adapters. You just unscrew it from the rim. Whew. Definitely a wheelie monster now. Even worse than what it was. Ooh. A lot of gophers out here on this field. Oh, tumble. Ah, something broke again. Something broke again. It happened right around here somewhere. My drive line came out. I heard that's a problem too. Things just pop out. Alright. That's it. I'm not going to fix that one. It'll be a little bit more work to do. You can see it popped out. It looks like it might actually have broke. Yeah, the piece doesn't have a hole, so yeah, looks like it broke off. So I'm gonna have to order some new axles for this one. Maybe get the bigger ones. God, they're so expensive on Traxxas crap though. So, all right, guys. Fun while it lasted. That's one reason why I never went 3S, because I knew it was gonna break eventually. But what a blast! So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment below if you want. You guys have any know of any axles for this thing? Some better ones, because I think Traxxas makes the tougher ones. I forget what they're called. I know MIP makes some, but they're pretty pricey, so we'll see. See what I can afford down the road. It's going to be a little while. I want to get my Typhon up and running. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.